Hey everyone, here is my HRV update for you. As you can see, over the last couple of days, I've had to be a little more intentional about recovery. Some pressures were beginning to pile up, and I wasn't getting enough sleep, mostly. The activity was okay, the nutrition was okay, but mostly it was the lack of sleep. As you can see, I'm still in the yellow. So the Welltree smartphone app let me know that I was still in a fairly good place, but for the most part, my energy stores were pretty much depleted. They were running low, and I'm going to have to take some intentional care of myself if I'm going to return to optimal levels. So you can see the great thing about HRV, monitoring this every day, is this is actionable information. This gives you the ability to monitor how your own autonomic nervous system is doing, and it's encouraging in that it gives you something to do. I know where I stand. I know if I can press harder into my day, or I know if I need to back off and work on recovery a little more. This is like an early warning system. It's basically a dashboard that literally tells you when the check engine light comes on. And that means that if it does so, it's time to pull over, it's time to pop the hood and figure out what needs attention. As always, this starts with sleep, at least 7, if not 8 hours daily. Eating well. When life gets stressful, that is the last time to prop yourself up with caffeine and sugar. Enough activity. Anything is better than nothing. If all we can do is go out there and buy a Fitbit and start with our 10,000 steps, let's at least do that. Eventually we need to press into more. And most importantly, taking the time to get serious about recovery. Many of you have really constructed training systems or wellness and fitness routines, but the big thing holding you back is your lack of intentionality toward planning your recovery. So next time we're going to begin working on ways that you can daily approach this. Daily approach your ability to recover and restore. Initially, the focus is going to be taking a closer look at beginning a yoga-based restorative breathing practice. This is the key to heart rate variability. This is the key to tapping into your autonomic nervous system. So you've got the Welltree app. You have a few days of data. You have a few days of heart rate variability monitoring behind you. Next time, let's begin working at actually actively taking back your health. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.